Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah, and I am a card reader, I'm a numerologist, I do seminars, workshops. I also conduct certain WhatsApp courses, online courses, which helps people to upgrade themselves, their lives, and it helps me to connect to people and help me to further grow. One of my friend had told me one thing while she was helping me go through certain things, and I said thank you so much for helping me, and thank you so much that you gave me such an insight. She said one very awesome statement which I will never forget. She says, your growth helped me grow, my dear friend. And it's the same with the profession which I am in. Any growth that I'm contributing via my profession, it helps me grow. It helps me enhance a feeling, energizes, like it helps me energize. That is why I have kept it as my profession, because it makes me want to do the best possible even for myself and raise my bar as well. However, I am very professional. I keep my professionalism and relationships very separate due to my experiences in past, which is not very energizing, and it actually drains the life out of you sometimes. We would not know. Anyway, it's not about my personal experiences, but a short introduction I wanted to give, but I shared a little bit more. Okay, right now we are doing Lenormand system. We are learning about it. I'm giving you certain basic information or basic words that indicates what does this card is symbolically telling you, and I insist that you write down, you have a journal and you write down the basic 4 to 5 meanings, whatever, even if it is 2 to 3 meanings that I'm giving you. Please write that down, and when you practice, use any of those words which you feel the click of when you're working with it, and in the process you would learn more about it, but keep the basics intact. Also, I'm also making this, okay, these things I would share it in another video. Now we are coming to the card number 24. It is heart. As soon as you'll see this card, you would understand, oh wow, this is love, romance, affection. Yes, that's true. Love, romance, affection. It can literally mean heart. It can also sometimes mean heart-shaped cookies. It can mean feelings of friendship as well. Depending on the surrounding cards, depending on the placement of the cards, that is before heart, after heart. As you know, there are various negative and positive cards. This card is considered to be positive. However, it's mainly in the area of relationships. It's mainly in the area of feelings. So yes, love, friendship, affection. It can literally mean heart. It can also mean warmth. It can also mean friendship. And okay, but just be careful. I have noted certain things down which I feel with basic important. Always remember this. In having a heart in a reading does not automatically imply they love you. Having a heart in a reading does not automatically say that they are a very good friend to you, they are loyal to you, they like you, they are affectionate. It may not be the case. So please don't over expect of this card, because it's very wow, nice card. So that is a very important point that I needed to make. Also, the placement, as I said, placement not only before, after, but how farther away it is or how closer it is. to the relevant card. It may be significator card as well. If you're asking for the work, it is something that you like, related work. So how close is it, how farther away it is, it may make a difference. But right now, because we are practicing, I hope we are doing only 2 cards or single card reading. I have worked with single card as well, like I used to practice with single card too. So you can use that, just you want to enhance your knowledge, that is why. Try not to go farther away from what you are. Don't go ahead of yourselves, which I know it's a tendency. When we are very enthusiastic, we do that. So I'm trying to warn you to help yourself better. It can also, if it is a health reading, which I already told you, if you are following my videos and if you have seen my videos before, not only from this channel, from other channel as well, you would know that I do not usually do health readings, but I do give advice sometimes. It will be suggestion related, of course, for reasons. I have my own personal reasons. So in heart reading, sometimes it may literally mean heart. That you need to also consider if you want to consider that, but I would suggest not to get into health readings right now. But you can always put it on your journal, what it is that you asked and what the cards came up. So that's all for now. Very basic info. See you in the next video, and please do share or subscribe my channel if you really like the content, because if you subscribe, you will get the content that I'm sharing. I do come up with ideas now, time and again. I may sometimes be a bit random person. My friends know that, and I think that is one of the personality part of intuitive people. They sometimes are quite random, but that's my take. Anyway, do share, do subscribe, do like, and I would love if you can share your love in other forms, maybe in comment or appreciation, email, even you might even want to give me cards. I would love that. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye. See you.